Tech enabled, but we're human delivered.
We try to be perfect, but it's reality. It's being honest about it.
Yeah, we'll never give the excuse operational reasons.
Yeah, that's right.
We'll always explain what's happened, how we're going to fix it.
We're honest about it, but we're also incredibly flexible. Unlike the airlines, we can still get you from A to B. It might just be via a different airport that's nearby.
Booking, refunds, change of plans, weather, things that airlines typically won't address.
Yeah.
That's the difference for Airly members.